Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, AI versus human. Specifically, we're looking at 5 jobs that are likely to disappear by 2030 due to advancements in artificial intelligence. Now, before you hit that panic button, remember, this isn't about robots taking over the world. It's about understanding how technology is evolving and how it's going to reshape the job market as we know it. We're talking about some pretty big changes here, but the goal is to be informed, to be prepared, and maybe even a little excited about the future. So let's get right into it. All right, first up, we've got telemarketers. These are the folks who call you up, often at the most inconvenient times, trying to sell you something or gather information. Now, I know what you're thinking. Are telemarketers even still a thing? In this age of digital communication, it might seem like a relic of the past. Believe it or not, they are, but for how much longer is the real question. The industry is still hanging on, but it's facing unprecedented challenges. See, AI is already making waves in customer service with chatbots and virtual assistants. These technologies are not just novelties, they're becoming integral to how businesses operate. These AI-powered systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, handling everything from answering basic questions to resolving complex customer issues. They can manage multiple tasks simultaneously, something human telemarketers can't do. And the crazy part is they can do it 24/7 without ever needing a coffee break. Imagine a workforce that never sleeps, never gets tired, and is always ready to assist. They're efficient, they're cost-effective, and let's be honest, sometimes they're even more patient than we are. They don't get frustrated or lose their temper. Think about those automated calls you get. Those are like the early versions, and they're only going to get better. The technology is evolving at a rapid pace. We're talking about AI that can understand and respond to natural language, personalize interactions, and even detect your emotional state. This level of sophistication is changing the game. So as this technology continues to advance, it's highly likely that we'll see a significant decrease in the need for human telemarketers. The writing is on the wall. It's just a matter of time. The shift is inevitable, and it's happening faster than many of us realize. But here's the thing, this shift doesn't necessarily mean massive unemployment. It means that the job landscape is evolving. It just means that the nature of work is changing. New roles are emerging that require different skill sets, and there's a growing demand for jobs that involve more human interaction, creativity, and specialized knowledge. People who were once telemarketers might find themselves transitioning into roles that require more human interaction, creativity, or specialized skills. This could be an opportunity for personal growth and career development, and that's something we'll be talking about throughout this video. We'll explore how the job market is shifting and what new opportunities are on the horizon. It's not just about the jobs that are disappearing, but also about the new opportunities that are emerging. The future of work is not something to fear, but something to prepare for and embrace. Next up, let's talk about retail cashiers and the evolving landscape of retail shopping. Now, we've all seen those self-checkout kiosks popping up in our local supermarkets and department stores. They seem to be everywhere these days, don't they? Remember when those first came out and everyone was like, I'm never using that thing. It felt so foreign and complicated. Well, fast forward to today and it's almost like a reflex to head straight for the self-checkout line. It's become second nature for many of us. It's convenient, it's usually faster unless someone's trying to buy a banana as an onion, and it's becoming the new normal. The ease of scanning and bagging your own items has won over many skeptics. But here's the thing, this is just the beginning. The self-checkout revolutions is paving the way for even more advanced retail technologies. As AI technology advances, we're going to see even more automation in the retail space. Imagine a world where your shopping experience is entirely seamless. Imagine walking into a store, grabbing what you need and simply walking out. No checkout required. No lines, no waiting, just pure convenience. Amazon Go stores are already doing this, and it's only a matter of time before this technology becomes more widespread. The future of shopping is closer than we think, and it's not just about convenience for shoppers, it's also about efficiency and cost savings for retailers. Streamlined operations mean happier customers and better bottom lines. Fewer cashiers mean lower labor costs, and that's something businesses are always looking for. It's a win-win situation for both retailers and consumers. But again, this doesn't mean that all retail jobs are going to disappear. The landscape is changing, but opportunities are evolving as well. Instead, we're likely to see a shift towards roles that require more human interaction, like customer service representatives who can help shoppers navigate these new technologies and provide a more personalized experience. The human touch will always be an essential part of retail. All right, let's talk about data entry clerks. Now, this is a job that's all about accuracy and efficiency, which, as it turns out, are two things that AI excels at. Think about it. Data entry involves taking information from one source and inputting it into a computer system. It's a repetitive task that can be easily automated using software and algorithms. And we're already seeing this happening in various industries. Optical character recognition, OCR technology, can now scan documents and extract data with incredible accuracy, eliminating the need for manual data entry. And as AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated systems that can handle complex data entry tasks, freeing up human workers for more creative and strategic roles. But it's not just about replacing human workers. AI can also augment their capabilities, improving accuracy and speed. Imagine a data entry clerk working alongside an AI-powered system that can flag errors in real time or suggest improvements to the data entry process. That's the power of AI. It's not always about replacing, it's about enhancing. Now, let's talk about travel agents. For decades, they were the go-to professionals for planning vacations, business trips, and everything in between. Remember when you used to book your flights and hotels through a travel agent? They were the experts who knew all the ins and outs of the travel industry. They were like the gatekeepers of travel, holding the keys to the best deals and hidden gems. Their expertise was invaluable, and their recommendations often made the difference between a good trip and a great one. But then came the internet and everything changed. The digital revolution transformed how we access information and services, and travel was no exception. Suddenly, we had access to a wealth of travel information at our fingertips. Websites and apps emerged, offering flight comparisons, hotel reviews, and travel guides. We could book our own flights, find our own hotels, and plan our own itineraries, all with a few clicks. The convenience was unparalleled, and it empowered travelers to take control of their own plans. And while travel agents still exist, their role has definitely evolved. They now focus more on providing specialized services and handling complex travel arrangements. But with the rise of AI, we're about to witness another major shift in the travel industry. AI technology is poised to revolutionize how we plan and book our trips. Imagine an AI-powered travel planner that can not only find you the cheapest flights and best hotels, but also curate a personalized itinerary based on your interests, budget, and travel style. It can learn from your preferences and make recommendations that are tailored just for you. That's the future of travel, and it's already starting to happen. AI is making travel planning more efficient, more personalized, and more accessible than ever before. AI-powered chatbots are popping up on travel websites, answering questions, providing recommendations, and even booking trips for you. They're available 24/7, offering instant support and guidance. And as this technology continues to advance, it's likely that we'll see a decline in the need for traditional travel agents. The convenience and efficiency of AI are hard to compete with. But again, this doesn't mean that all travel jobs are going to disappear. There will always be a place for human expertise in the travel industry. There will always be a need for human experts who can provide personalized advice, navigate complex travel situations, and offer a human touch that AI simply can't replicate. The future of travel will be a blend of technology and human expertise, working together to create the best possible experiences for travelers. All right, last but not least, let's talk about taxi drivers. Now, this is a profession that's already feeling the heat from the rise of ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft. But as self-driving technology continues to advance, it's clear that the taxi industry is in for even more disruption. We're talking about a future where autonomous vehicles can pick you up and drop you off without the need for a human driver. And this isn't some far-off sci-fi scenario, it's already happening. Companies like Waymo and Cruise are already testing self-driving taxis in cities around the world. Now, there are still some hurdles to overcome, like safety regulations and public acceptance, but it's clear that self-driving technology is rapidly advancing, and it's only a matter of time before it becomes more mainstream. So what does this mean for taxi drivers? Well, it's likely that we'll see a significant decrease in the demand for human drivers as self-driving taxis become more prevalent. But again, this doesn't mean that all transportation jobs are going to disappear. There will still be a need for human operators to manage fleets of autonomous vehicles, handle customer service issues, and ensure the smooth operation of these new transportation systems. So there you have it, 5 jobs that are likely to disappear by 2030 due to advancements in artificial intelligence. But remember, this isn't a reason to panic, it's a call to action. The key is to be adaptable, to embrace lifelong learning, and to develop skills that are in high demand. The future of work is about collaboration between humans and machines, about leveraging the strengths of both to create a more efficient and productive world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content on technology and its impact on our lives. See you in the next video.